Today we'll discuss why Racicadrotril is given in diarrhea, particularly in the children. Racicadrotril is administered during diarrhea. Now for that we should know what is the role of enkephalins. These enkephalins are the endogenous agonist which acts on the gamma receptors of the opioid gamma receptors. What is enkephalins? Enkephalins are nothing but the endogenous agonist which acts on gamma receptors, opioid gamma receptors, and they act as an enteric neurotransmitter. Enkephalins, they act as enteric neurotransmitters. Now, what is the role of enkephalins? Enkephalins, they inhibit the intestinal secretions. What they do? They inhibit the intestinal secretions by lowering the mucosal cyclic AMP. So these enkephalins, which are the enteric neurotransmitters, they by acting on opioid gamma receptors, they inhibit the intestinal secretions by lowering mucosal cyclic AMP, which is a secondary neurotransmitter. Now, what is the role of Racicadrotril? Racicadrotril is a prodrug which is converted to its active metabolite is the thiorophan. Racicadrotril is a prodrug, that means it is in inactive form, but after metabolism it is converted to its active form, that is the thiorophan. And this thiorophan is the dipeptide inhibitor of enkephalinase. It inhibits the enzyme enkephalinase, and that's how it prevents degradation of enkephalins. If it prevents degradation of enkephalins, that means more and more enkephalins will be there. If there is more and more enkephalins will be there, so what will happen? It will stimulate the gamma opioid receptors in the GIT, and if they stimulate gamma opioid receptors in the GIT, it will reduces the intestinal secretions. It will reduces the intestinal secretion. That's how it reduces the diarrhea. And most importantly, there is no effect on the motility of gut. There is no effect on the motility of gut, and that's why there is no chances of paralyticus ileus and intestinal obstruction. That is the advantage of Racicadrotril over the loperamide. There is no effect on the intestinal motility, so there is no chances of paralyticus ileus. Right? We'll see one more time. Racicadrotril, it inhibits the enzyme enkephalinase. If it inhibits the enzyme enkephalinase, what will happen? What is the role of enkephalinase enzyme? This enkephalinase enzyme converts enkephalins into the inactive metabolite. That means it will degrade enkephalins. So, if Racicadrotril is given, it will inhibit the enzyme enkephalinase. If it will inhibit the enzyme enkephalinase, that means it will prevent the degradation of enkephalins. So more and more enkephalins will be there, and this more and more enkephalins, what they will do? They will stimulate the gamma opioid receptors in the GIT, so that it will reduces the intestinal secretions, and that's how it reduces the frequency of diarrhea. But there is no effect on the motility of gut, and that's why there is no chances of paralyticus ileus and intestinal obstruction or toxic megacolon, which are the side effects of loperamide. So this is all about the Racicadrotril. That's why it is preferred in the diarrhea, particularly in the children's.